Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type google.com. Here in google.com, you can search anything you want. Here in the search bar, you have to type your keyword, then Google will find it for you. In the right option, you can see Google Images and Gmail. You will see also another Google apps, Account, Search, Map, Google Play, Google News, Gmail, Meet, Chat, Contract, Drive, Calendar, Translate, Photos, Duo, Shopping, Finance, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Books, Blogger, Hangout, Keep, Jamboard, Earth, Collection, Art and Culture, Google Ads, Podcast, Travel and Forms. And you can also see more from Google. If you are not signed in, then you can sign in from here. So that's all about Google. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.